and I already put eggs and I put milk and I put salt in it, and here I mixed it. And if you guys want, you guys can put how much eggs you want. I put 2, and now what I'm doing is cutting spinach, and I'm cutting onions and peppers. So I'm going to be cutting them in little like lines and boxes so that it's small so I can eat it after, and put those in there. And first I need to cut this spinach because I just finished cutting my peppers and my onions because I already did that. And yeah, and here they are. I just got a few more spinach left, so I'm going to be cutting those. So let me cut them as fast as I can. And then I have to go wash it. My hands like smell so bad because of the onions. So here, I cut it in pieces. Now let's just put it in the bowl like that. And I'm gonna cut this. So I actually don't want the stem to the spinach, so I'm just gonna take it out. Because I don't think it tastes that good. But I'm just gonna take it out. So, like this. Like this. Like that. Like that, I just took it out. And now let's cut the spinach. And I have to cut it. Trying to do it as quick as I can. And make sure you have adult supervision with the knife, okay? Because I know how to cut, but for those little people who are trying to cut, I suggest adult supervision. So, yeah. And I'm going to be talking about my weekend and my week was really good because when I heard my conference, it was really good, my teacher conference, and it was good. And my weekend was good because I got to spend some time with my family. And let me know in the comments how your weekend was doing, or maybe a fun thing that you did on your weekends. So I'm almost done with it. Oh wait, no, I'm actually done. Now I'm going to be back. I'm just gonna go rinse it real quick and put it in the pan. Okay, so I just finished, and I'm going to be pouring my spinach, pepper, and onions in my bowl of eggs. So here it goes, like that. Nice. And I'm just gonna mix it a little bit like that. And now on the stove, put the stove on low so you don't get hurt. And I'm going to be using Country Cook, and it is plant butter, and it's made with almond oil, and it's very healthy because you can use it in anything like eggs, cake, cupcakes, and it's really healthy. So if you guys want to do it, I'll put it in the link. So first let me put it in my pan like that. There's it goes. Okay, it's already boiling. There you go. Now I'm just gonna go put this back, and I'll be back in a little. And a Jiffy look like melted and ready. So I'm just gonna make sure it's all melted and around the pot. So, boop, boop. Like that. Just moving the pan, because there's still a little dry spots on the pan. There you go. Now I'm just gonna pour in my eggs. So here it goes. Okay. Okay, now we just have to let it sit. Bye, I'll be back when it's ready. Finished, but I actually had to make scrambled because I kind of did it wrong. So I'm going to add cilantro. And my arm might look weird when I put it in because I want to be fancy. So, hold on, let me get some. I did it! Thank you for following my recipe. Bye!